How to download F124 on PC. Today's video I'm going to show you how to download F124 on your PC and get ready to race in the latest edition of the iconic Formula 1 game. If you're ready to experience realistic racing, stunning graphics, and intense competition, you're in the right place, so let's get started. Simply open your web browser and search for F124 on your PC. Scroll down a little bit and go to the Steam website. Now scroll down again and simply tap on add to cart. You can simply buy F124 or you can also buy F124 Champions Edition. Choose whichever you prefer. I'm going to be choosing F124. Tap on add to my cart. Now simply go to view my cart. Now all you need to do is continue to payment. Here you can choose your preferred payment method. I'm going to be choosing Visa. Just simply choose whichever you prefer. Once you've done that, you'll need to purchase or do the payment for the game, and that's it. That's how you can simply successfully download F124 on your PC.